Hello from the Bureau with your national weather forecast, looking at conditions heading into Tuesday night and then tomorrow, Wednesday, the 11th of December. First, a look at the synoptic map for tonight, and we can see that contrasting story of humid and stormy conditions for northern Australia, but for southern Australia, it is looking mostly dry. There is a possibility of severe thunderstorms this afternoon and into tonight for northeast New South Wales, Queensland, the interior, and Western Australia, so keep an eye on any warnings. And over in the Indian Ocean, there is a tropical low. It is well offshore of the West Australian coastline, and at this stage, it does have a low to moderate or 10 to 25% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone. It is expected to weaken though as it continues to move away from the country. And so looking at tomorrow, Wednesday, this high pressure system in the Southern Ocean will continue to move towards the east, and as it does, temperatures will start to rise across the southeast and the east of the country. But also, it is causing this surface trough over Western Australia to strengthen, and that's funneling heat and humidity down across the west and the southwest of the state. Quite unsettled right across northern Australia, particularly through eastern and central Queensland. And late in the evening, we will see a weak cold front brush the southwest corner of Tasmania. And so, state by state look now. Starting off in Queensland, we do see showers and storms for the southeast and the centre of the state, becoming more widespread for the northwest later in the day, and then we'll see the risk of heavy rainfall. But under thick cloud and also rain, maximum temperatures will be up to 5 degrees below average. What that means is that heatwave conditions for central and northern parts of the state will finally begin to ease, but far north Cape York Peninsula will remain quite hot, and also quite hot through the west of Queensland. For Brisbane, showers and a possible storm with a top of 28. For New South Wales, isolated storms about the tablelands. At this stage, we're not expecting severe activity for the afternoon. Showers also along the coast, mostly in the morning and afternoon, but it will be a warm and sunny afternoon for most of the state. For Sydney, a possible morning shower, then partly cloudy in 25, partly cloudy in Canberra with a top of 28. For Victoria, cloud in the morning across the south of the state, particularly south of the Divide. There's a possibility of a few light showers, but then that cloud will gradually break up and we'll see afternoon sunny breaks for most of the state, except for the southwest, where we could see some showers and drizzle sticking around for most of the day. Partly cloudy in Melbourne with a top of 24 degrees and maximum temperatures pretty close to average across Victoria. For Tasmania, mostly cloudy, showers about the west initially, but they'll become more widespread through central and southern parts of the state as that cold front moves through in the evening. It will be a mild to cool day across the state. Hobart, a possible late shower and a top of 19. In South Australia, cloud about southern parts of the state. There is the chance of a slight shower about the southeast during the day, but then we will see sunshine by the afternoon. Mild in the south, but hot in the north. Cloud clearing Adelaide with a top of 26 degrees. For Western Australia, hot and unsettled with that surface trough just sitting off the coast. We will continue to see severe heatwave conditions with maximum temperatures up to 12 degrees above average. Showers and storms become quite widespread for the Gascoyne and Pilbara into the afternoon. There is also the risk of heavy rainfall through the Pilbara, and we could also see afternoon showers and thunderstorms push down into the Perth Hills and the Wheatbelt. So for Perth, a hot day, 39 degrees, the possibility of a gusty storm for the eastern suburbs from the afternoon. Finally, for Northern Australia, humid and unsettled, showers and thunderstorms continuing as per previous days. Darwin, showers and a possible storm with a top of 32 degrees. That's your forecast for today. Stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings on our website and app. Follow us on our social medias, and as always, please stay safe.